up till now, people have not tended to look at the question of when might something happen. Researchers focus quite rightly on what we might expect to occur at some point in the future. But, by the end of the 21st century, what will temperature be? That is a very important question for policymakers. But now attention is turning to when might we expect to see changes. And it's a critical difference, because if we need to make decisions to adapt to changing climate, which we're going to have to do, the question about when the changes are going to occur is critically important for people to plan to adapt. For the UK, for example, we worry about our transport system, about how it might cope with extreme temperatures in the future. For example, rail tracks buckling, for instance, in extreme heat. This key issue about when something might happen rather than what might happen helps focus the mind that changes are not very distant. They might well occur within human lifetimes, and having that framework and presenting the information as happening in people's lifetimes is an effective way of portraying the message about climate change and when it might occur. For the tropical regions, the next decade or two is when they will start to experience changes which are outside the levels of background variability. For the UK and for latitudes near the UK, then it is much further out, towards the middle of the century perhaps. We're providing broad ranges of possibilities for what might happen and when things might occur, and this motivates further research and to try and narrow that range. It's quite a wide range at the moment. We want to do the further research needed to narrow that range to enable planners to make better decisions.